Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you are having a good day. Welcome back to the Odoo website development tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to use the website editor in Odoo. So, without further delay, let's get started. To access the website editor, first go to the My Databases, and right here you will see your website database. Another thing you should remember is that when you create the database, you will receive an email regarding the activation of this database. So make sure that you activate your website as well. All right. Once you have done that, go to the connect and it will open all the options for your website, the macro settings. To open the editor, go to the website right here, which will open the website preview. Now you cannot edit it right now. It's the preview of your website. If you want to edit it, go to the edit option right here, which will open the website editor. The Odoo is a block website builder, which means it has grid patterns and a really dependable website builder. You can easily drag and drop your elements and sync them to the grids in the website builder. Furthermore, you can use the pre-made templates. Like if you click on the blocks right here, any block, you can see the templates. Okay, so it's a really good starting point to design your website. From these templates, you can further edit them to suit your brand website design, your imaginations, but it's a good idea to start from a template. Talking about the website editor, we have three main options. First, we have the theme where you can set all the macro settings of your website. For example, you can see the color palettes right here. If you want to change the colors of your website, you can do it right here. You can also add your own colors. So you can simply click here and add your own color. I have built a tool called the color palette generator where you can easily create beautiful color palettes for your website. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, go to the website, choose your color theme. You can either select the random color or add your own colors here and then click on generate palette. All right, and it will create a palette for that color pattern. You can also choose the color harmony and design your own color palettes however you want. All right. Anyway, coming back to the Odoo website builder, we have some more options. You can switch the theme of your website. If you want to change the color, the current theme of your website, you can go to the switch theme option right here and change the theme of your website. You can also add the language. You can choose the default page layout. So you can either set the full width, you can set it to boxed like this. You have the framed, and finally you have the postcard. The best one will be the full. You can individually set the layout for each page or each section one by one. You can also set the background of your website like this, so you can set the background of your pages. You can also add patterns as the background. Then we have some font options, so you can decide the font size and the font family of your text, the default text of your website. You can also add your custom fonts. So right here you have the option to add the custom font. You also have the inbuilt Google font library, which is awesome, I will say, because otherwise you will have to download the fonts from Google and upload it right here. So Odoo already has a huge library of Google fonts, which you can use in your website. Okay, all of them are absolutely free, so feel free to use them. If you want to add your own custom font, like premium fonts or free fonts, you can upload them right here. Then we have the font size. For example, I will choose 18 pixel for the paragraph instead of 16. So I can set it right here. All right, so right here you can see I have 18 pixel. You can choose the font, as I said. You can choose the line height, which is the distance between the lines. Then you have the margin, which is the distance around the text. Similarly, you have the options for heading, button, link, input fields, and advanced settings right here. If you want to add, for example, head code, you can add them right here. You can also hide the header of your website. Right, so if you want to hide the header, you can also do that. All right, so this was the theme. Now let's go to the main element, which is the blocks. And right here, you will find all the important building blocks of your website. So we have all the categories and then the inner content. The basic building block would be the template of your Odoo website. So right here, you have all the templates. Simply go ahead and choose any of these templates for your website. The Odoo website builder has two different types of layout. You can either use the grid or you can use the columns. The best option would be the grids right here. So as you can see, I can freely drag my elements around and you can see the grids in the background. So you can snap the elements like this to any of the grid and make the website responsive. You can also resize the elements across the grids, like you can resize the image like this. Let's say you want to resize the entire element, you can set it like this and set the image like this. Right, so you can do similar things and snap your elements to the grids. Okay, similarly, you will have the settings for all your text. Whenever you choose an element, you will see the settings, the relevant settings right here. So for example, you have chosen the text here, so you have the settings for your section, you have the settings for the column, and then the setting for your text. So the text settings for this text, the heading, will be right here. Okay, so you can choose the style of your text, for example, like select this and set it to bold or italic or add an underline, whatever you want. You can set the settings right here. We will learn more about the settings of individual elements in the next video, in the future videos. But yeah, this is the basic editor of the Odoo. You can easily add or remove any element. If you want to replace the template, simply go to this button right here and you can easily replace the current template. But yeah, this is the introduction to the website editor of Odoo. In the next video, we will learn how to customize the section. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.